Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for creators of all levels. A budget-friendly backdrop solution for product photography, flat lays, and more. We're checking out the WEFAMALEII 3-piece board photo backdrop kit. This compact kit promises a lot, so let's see if it delivers. Right out of the box, you get 3 boards. 2 larger ones at 15.8 by 11.8 inches and a smaller square one at 11.8 inches. You also get 3 brackets to connect them and a handy carrying bag. The whole setup is incredibly lightweight and portable, which is a huge plus for anyone working with limited space or shooting on location. Assembly is a breeze. The brackets slide easily into slots on the boards, allowing you to create a seamless backdrop in seconds. You can arrange the boards in a classic L shape for a traditional flat lay setup or get creative with different angles and configurations. The brackets hold the boards securely in place, so you don't have to worry about them shifting during your shoot. The boards themselves are made of a sturdy cardboard core with a PVC surface. This combination makes them surprisingly durable and resistant to bending or warping. The PVC coating is also waterproof, which is a lifesaver for spills or messy products. A quick wipe down, and they're good as new. The printed surface is smooth and non-reflective, minimizing glare and ensuring your product is the star of the show. The white color I'm using today provides a clean, minimalist look, perfect for showcasing a variety of items. Now, let's talk performance. I tested this backdrop kit with a range of products, jewelry, cosmetics, even some food photography, and I was genuinely impressed with the results. The boards provide a consistent, even background that really makes products pop. The size is ideal for smaller items, and the different board configurations offer flexibility for various shooting styles. The non-reflective surface is a game changer, eliminating distracting hotspots and ensuring accurate color representation. One thing to keep in mind is that these boards are designed for smaller products. If you're shooting larger items, you might need a bigger backdrop solution. Also, while the printed surface is durable, it's not scratch-proof. So, be mindful when handling and storing the boards to avoid any damage. Overall, the WEFAMALEII 3-piece board photo backdrop kit is a fantastic value for the price. It's easy to use, portable, and produces professional-looking results. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro looking for a convenient on-the-go solution, this kit is definitely worth checking out. It's a simple, effective way to elevate your product photography without breaking the bank. The quality, portability, and ease of use make it a winner in my book. I'll leave a link to the product in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.